Hey guys, I'm Ernie the Earthquake, and today I'm going to tell you about earthquakes and how we're caused, what happens, and the damage we can produce. Earthquakes involve powerful movements of rocks in the Earth's crust. The rapid release of energy creates seismic waves that travel through the Earth. The release of energy is what makes the ground shake and the earthquake destructive. The damage caused by earthquakes also depends on their depth and their fault type. Seismometers are used to measure the magnitude of the earthquakes. You are unlikely to feel a magnitude of 3, but a magnitude of 6 could cause damage. We are caused because of geological forces inside the Earth. The forces build up slowly and eventually become so strong that the rocks break from underground. We are caused by sudden Earth movements along geological faults. A fault is a crack or a rupture in the Earth where rocks on each side move past each other. The San Andreas Fault is the most famous fault in the world. It's in California. It comes partly from the San Francisco earthquake of 1906. This is a place where two tectonic plates touch. The Earth is made up of plates under the surface called tectonic plates. They are clumsy. They often run into each other. When they hit each other or slide beneath each other, we are waiting at the fault lines to take action. This is when we move the Earth and cause all kinds of damage for the people. We are so strong we can even break or bend buildings, houses, bridges, and roads. Sometimes we go easy on them though and only cause a few cracks. You may have heard about the earthquake that hit Haiti in January of 2010 that had a magnitude of 7.0 and it killed over 200,000 people. My most powerful earthquake friend hit Valdivia, Chile in 1960 that had a magnitude of 9.5. Some countries, like Japan, that are earthquake prone, build houses and buildings that react well to us. So that is how we are caused, what we do, and the damage we can produce. I bet you hope you never meet any of my friends. Thanks for listening. Stay safe, kids.